Continuously carbonization furnace for small-sized biomass waste materials like sawdust, chips, nutshells, fiber, agricultural waste. From this side is feeding with the airlock to avoid oxygen. And this area is carbonization area with high temperature. The temperature normally 600 to 700 centigrade. But if you need higher temperature, we can also accept, because like this customer using stainless steel 18 millimeter thickness of the drum. So he is planning to operating at over 900 centigrade. From this side is discharging. The discharging will with airlock also. This compact design. The power consumption, the first one is the rotating, the rotary drum, and the fan, and also the feeding conveyors. The heating fuel consumption is only using for preheating. For normally, customers use only 40 kg liquid gas, and you can also choose diesel, burn the pellet, and also biogas. These are only preheating this liquid gas burners. And after we reach to the temperature, and then we can start feeding materials. And after that, we have the recycled gas produced from that position after purified, fully burnt in this combustion chamber and then sent to the furnace heating stove. So the main heating fuel is from the carbonization itself. It's supplied by itself. And exhaust gas and the heat will come out from top, and then we use pipe to bring it to the boiler or dryer for other application. If you need a working video, please contact him by WhatsApp. Because this is continuously working, the feeding and discharging continuously. So from the material input to output, the materials only stay inside for 15 to 25 minutes. So we require the feedstock original moisture below 15%. So if your material is higher moisture, we will need to use the dryer to work together with the furnace. This is the dryer drum. We are finishing several units and several production lines for customers for different types materials. Customized stainless steel 310S. The thickness 18 millimeter. Used for the carbonization furnace inner drum. It's finishing now. This is double drum, double layer carbonization furnace. So this is inner drum, smaller diameter, 1 meter diameter, and the outer drum is 1.5 meters. The size is customized based on customers' feedstock and also the capacity demand. To make sure the whole production line continuously working, we use the buffer storage silo to connect between dryer and the carbonization. So we have different sized, smaller one or larger one, based on the capacity. Additional cooling. This cooling model is for the production line. They make charcoal briquettes after the carbonization furnace, so it's with water. But if you use for carbon credit, we have another type cooling method without water. For those materials already small size, no need crusher, we recommend to use a sieving machine before put into the dryer and the carbonization, so we can avoid metal or other impurities. For the purification system, we have two options. The first one is the water purification system. We can collect wood vinegar, wood tar from the smoke. And the other one is we burn out the smoke to fire to generate the heat. So no liquid byproduct. It's optional based on your requirement.
Tan bonitas esas.
After carbonization process, we have further process. For example, we can cool down and pack directly sell as the carbon credit biochar, and also we can make it to charcoal briquettes. And for charcoal briquette machine, we have different types. The hot selling one, ball price, making overball, and the shape is customized. This is sea lighter. And we can also make it to smaller ball, smaller. This is 30 to 30 and 15 size millimeter, or make it to larger pillow. And also next one, extruder, good at making stick shaped, and the stick shape is also. Shape is optional, hexagonal, square, or cubic. And third one is the honeycomb punching model, and it's good at making the hexagonal or honeycomb shaped. Punching briquette machine. This is the fitting silo and the molding. One unit molding contains with 3 units: the upper, the middle, and below. So it's making the shape at once. No need cutting like the extruder, but it has the limits. The thickness, the length of the charcoal is only 7 to 8 centimeters. This is the limits. Contact him if you need biomass recycling machines, carbonization furnace, and the whole production line machines. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.